All right, guys, it's Betsy with Shady Farmstead and a farm tour. It is a beautiful Monday morning, and I've been out doing a lot of work today, enjoying the sunshine, the warmth. All right, we'll get started. This is the garden. We've done some weeding here, and we did pretty much lose everything, the artichokes and the snapdragons. So we're starting over, but you can kind of see we have some hydrangeas right here. So I'm excited about, these are new. Got 4 of them right here, and these are our old guys. Had forever. They're awesome. This is some leftover remnants of the peas that we had tried to grow, but they dried out in the sunshine, so we're going to use those for the chickens. So this bottom plot I'll be working on this week, but we do have carrots in here. They're gonna be these needly leaf babies coming up. So we got some carrots. We do have weeds in there. You can see the round leaves. But that's exciting. They do take a little while. There's the chickens. It's another bed of carrots. You can kind of see the needle, skinny leaves. This was the collards, so we'll probably rip them out when it's time to use this bed. Another bed that we'll prep. We've got this covered until we're ready for it. These will probably be some more summer crops. We're gonna try peas again real soon. These 2 beds are lettuce, and you can see some germination in this bed. A little spotty. Definitely can see them coming in the rows. And then this one you really can't see. I don't know. We seeded them at the same time with the Jane cedar. Maybe they're just slower. Maybe they're not getting as much water. I do see some germination, but we'll have to keep watching it. So radishes, turnips, arugula, spotty germination for the radishes. Turnips look really good, and arugula is pretty spotty. But we'll get something. The lettuce should start blowing up in the next week if it continues to, we have warm days like this. But I'm gonna work on this bed this week and see, weed these walkways. We do have some cold coming. This is our best tunnel, if you remember. We have harvested some lettuce, but very minimal. The beets, though, are looking really awesome. Let me see. I got the sprinkler going. But you can see there's a big guy right there. So they're looking good. And then carrots. I'm moving tarps today. But the second row right here is carrots I've been weeding. They're pretty sparse. These are our babies. We've got collards, kale, kohlrabi. No, 2 types of kale, and then lettuces. So those are gonna go in. This is kind of my masterpiece of today. I got these 2 rows cleaned out. So they're ready for compost, amendments, tilthing, gridding, and then we're gonna put lettuce there in both of these. I'm gonna keep this covered. It's our pear tree. Paul and our neighbor Shannon did some good pruning on it. So it was probably 20 feet up, which we could never get pears off that. So couldn't reach. So we cut that. That'll be interesting. We'll see how the pears do this year. And then these 3 rows, cleaned these out today. And they're gonna be, and if you can see these are okra stumps left over. They're pretty hardcore, so we're gonna let them sit, plant around them. But we're gonna put kale there, collards, in these 3 rows. We'll try to fill those out. This is our asparagus bed. We're gonna go get some new wood and do some 2x cedar beds, which I'm excited about, but clean those out. They'll be coming soon. Same for this bed over here. We're gonna redo that. And then inside we've got some plants, green onions. We even have tomatoes, eggplant, peppers. So we're getting ready for summertime. These are the broccoli that made it, the very small number that made it, but they do have if I can find it, little broccoli heads. There it is. So exciting to see a few broccolis for the house. We do have some spinach over here. Doesn't look great, but we're gonna hang on and see if we can get them to get stronger. Orange tree, lemon tree look pretty sad, but it is green. Their branches are green, so I think it'll come back. I think we're gonna be good. Fig tree. Hey, buddy. Got another fig tree over there. Let's see. Also cleaned out the blackberries. We'll do a little more work there, but get some compost, amend it a little bit, and wood chips, and we're set. One thing that's plagued us, these trees. So every year they shed. So every day I come out and I rake a few. Let's see, that's been raked. Put them in the fire pit. So that's the garden. We're moving right along.